I have been so excited to get my hands on this vacuum. I could not wait for this. Did you hear how that just ramped up and changed a little bit? That's because what this is doing is detecting the dirt and determining how much power to give to the vacuum in order to suck up the mess that is underneath it. This is going to be one of the, if not the best vacuums that you bring into your house. Why? Well, because, well, let me just do it. Because when I go over here and I move backwards, normally, vacuums can't vacuum backwards. This is kind of weird to me that that's happening, because when I trained with Mary Beth Rowe, the one thing that she taught us, that in the world of vacuums, make sure that you're demoing with it forwards because they don't vacuum backwards. Okay, well, I don't want to say that Mary Beth Rowe was wrong, but I don't know that she knew about the Shark Detect when it came here, because this is going to be your PowerDetect cordless stick vacuum that does vacuum forwards and backwards. That is going to come apart for you so that you can use it as a hand vac, and it's about 2.5 pounds when you do that. There's a lot of tools that are coming included. We've got a big presentation here, but we've got even bigger savings, because if you purchase this separately, $432.95 is what you would spend for the exact same vacuum. Now, what I will tell you is the warm metal, you're not going to find that elsewhere, because that's exclusive to us here at QVC. You may find the navy, you may find the grape, but you're not going to find this exclusive bundle that's only available here at QVC. So do your shopping here with us, because we are giving you more. We are giving it to you for less. Your price today is not going to be $430. Instead, we're talking $336.98, shipping to you for free and saving you $93 today, or you can put on our easy payment of $67.40 a month. Since we made this available, over 13,000 people have brought home this brand new vacuum. There is no advanced order on this, though, so I just want you to know when these colors are gone, they're gone. We already lost 2 of them. Over 3.2 million people have picked up their Shark vacuums here at QVC. So, you know, a lot of people have loved this brand, but these have some big changes to it. Let me just show you really quickly your colors and what you're going to be getting. So we do have it in that warm metal that's going to look like this. This one here is your navy. I want you to keep in mind that you're going to get that stick vacuum. You're going to have the MultiFlex wand that is a part of this, the nozzle, the crevice tool, and you're also going to get the pet multi-tool. The charger and the accessory bag to hold all of this is also coming included. The one that I was showing you in the beginning, that was the grape option. So you'll see little hints of purple throughout that. Bring it home today on an easy payment of $67.40. I promise you that when you get this at home, you are going to just want to go jump into cleaning. I know somebody else who wants to jump into cleaning is Elizabeth Watts, who is joining us here on Skype. Nice to see you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Justin, happy Valentine's Day. What a great demo at the beginning. I have to tell you that this is the most phenomenal vacuum that I've ever seen from Shark. I've been with Shark over 20 years. This is cordless. You've got up to 70 minutes of runtime in the hand vacuum mode. I get about a half an hour to 40 minutes as I'm going around the house cleaning. And just like you said, Justin, it has amazing smart technology that we never knew we even needed in a vacuum. But that helps us to have this precision clean around the home. So let me show you that new technology. I love that you showed the reverse clean straight up front, because that is something that's so special. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit one button, which is my on button. I'm going to just give it a minute because the vacuum is thinking and it's trying to determine what floor I'm on. So now it's decided, okay, I'm on hard floor. That means I don't need a ton of power. But when I encounter these large pieces of cereal, it needs more power. Now, I want you to notice here, Justin, I know you can see it there in the studio. There's an extra brush roll on this one. It has the PowerFin brush, or the brush roll back here. It's actually a redesigned PowerFin brush roll. And that front brush roll, that DuoClean, allows us to pick up larger particles, even tiles. It doesn't snowplow, all that stuff. But when I get to the end of all of this dirt, the vacuum actually tells me in a couple of ways. There's some lights here. Wow. See how they went lighter, and in just a second, they're going to go white. That color change, there we go, lets you know that, yeah, I know, isn't that amazing? All right, it's here too, so let me show it to you here as well. So this is on auto. You just turn it on, default to that. Now watch what happens. See how the lights change?
Yes.
And you can hear it ramp up. That is this amazing new technology from Shark, where your vacuum actually tells you when your floor is clean, so you know that you can stop vacuuming at that point. Now, another detect, that's one of the detects, which is the kind of flooring, the dirt, but the kind of flooring as well. When I come on up here to my carpet, it ramps up automatically. And then just as you were showing, I'm going to show it this way, forward and reverse clean. You know what that does, Justin? It cuts our cleaning time in half, right? Because you don't have to go back and forth as much. And then if you want to, push one button. Now you've got the flex technology, and I can clean under the furniture without having to get on my hands and knees. It also has a light that will get brighter under your dark areas.
Oh,
And
wow,
of
auto.
course, I know, because we're a shark, we have that no hair wrap situation here on our brush roll. So even when you're picking up long hair, pet hair, and by the way, this cordless is our most powerful cordless we've ever made. Check it out. No hair wrapped around that brush roll. There's
my
that extra
gosh.
DuoClean brush roll.
I
Yeah.
can't believe there's no hair on that. I feel like every other week I'm taking my vacuum and
Yeah.
I'm just digging out the hair from the bottom of it. And if you're similar to me that in doing that, maybe today's the day to upgrade for you. Upgrade to a cordless vacuum that has a battery life of 70 minutes. Upgrade to a vacuum that you can use forwards and backwards. Upgrade to a cordless vacuum that stands up on its own. My good friend Mary DeAngelis was the one who actually launched this vacuum a little while ago, and she was literally walking around the studio with it, and she's like, look, it can stand up all by itself. It's incredible
Yep.
that it will do that, and when you're ready to go, you just stand it right up, you put it in, it clicks in, you hit the power button, and then all of a sudden, you're cleaning. I didn't realize that those lights that are on the back of it are going to help to be able to determine what is, what is clean and what is dirty. But I also love too with this, as I'm cleaning up the mess here on the floor, is that you've got that buildup that's right on the inside, so you can see it as it's coming in into that canister. I know that you're going to be pleasantly surprised, and honestly, maybe a little bit grossed out when you're like, wait, all that dust was living in my carpet. But yeah, guess what? I can go right over to the carpet and wow, did it suck it up right there. Like using that detection, Elizabeth, this just went into that big power mode now.
I know, I heard it ramp up. Yeah, and that's the thing. Justin didn't hit a button, right, Justin? It's all automatic. And here's the, I have to show you how this works, Justin. So when you're going forward, most vacuums just have like a solid squeegee, but did you see how those little fins opened up behind the brush roll?
Yeah.
That's the magic. That's a patented squeegee that Shark came up with that opens the airway when you're going in reverse and seals it when you're going forward. That's why the stuff doesn't shoot out behind. So it seems like a small thing, but it's such a great advancement in technology. And that's what Shark's great at, as you know. We're always going to the next level with technology. Can we do a little comparison here with the hair wrap demo? Justin, I love to show this next to an original rocket stick vac. So this is how far we've come in the last, say, 10 years. Most vacuums, several years ago only had the bristle brush like we have here, right? This one also, of course, has the cord. And, in the past, we always said you need the cord to be able to get the power. So I'm going to pick up a bunch of hair with our rocket. And as you might expect, and as you've experienced in your own home, this is what happened, right?
Yep, been there.
Immediately, right? You don't even have to guess. You know that's going to happen. When you've got this one, a couple of really amazing things. I push one button, and first of all, the vacuum knows what it's on. Knows it's on carpet, so it's calibrating itself exactly for carpet. Second of all, I heard it ramp up as soon as I came across that hair, so I know that it is getting deep down clean with the most power that we've ever been able to put in a cordless. And ta-da, there's the difference. This is work I have to do. This vacuum is working for me at all times.
I mean, even just looking there at that shot and seeing the two different rollers that are in there.
Yeah.
I mean, you could see right from there the advancements that Shark has made.
Yes.
There's a reason why the Circana Research Group has named Shark as the #1 best-selling vacuum brand in America for the last 4 years in a row. And the reason is for technology like this. Having that auto detection, having a battery that lasts 70 minutes. And the thing is, when you have a battery that lasts that long, I think that you would imagine it's going to be a really heavy vacuum because it's got to be a really big battery. And yet somehow Shark was able to create that high power, big performance with that giant battery, but it's still a lightweight vacuum, something that you can easily hold in your hand. In fact, I actually just took it off in that one mode and I put it into the handheld mode. And now, oh, my lazy boy, maybe I was eating some chips on it. Maybe I was getting it a little bit dirty. I can get right in here with this crevice tool. It still has that DirtDetect technology as I'm cleaning this all up, as I'm literally getting into the crevices with which this was made to be able to do.
Yep.
I now can get up into that side because we want to keep our lazy boy clean, there's no doubt. Oh, I got a little bit of hair on there, no problem, get that right off. And you are going to notice that this Shark vacuum is going to be able to help bring some life back to maybe the oldest couch, the dirtiest couch that you had, simply by using it in that handheld mode, or if you do want to have it like your traditional vacuum. But the thing is, today, you are saving a ton of money. If you were to purchase this separately, we're talking about nearly $430 that you would pay. Not right now, $336.98. That's a holiday weekend deal though, which means on Monday, that's going back up again to $429.99. You can put this on an easy payment plan of $67.40. It's shipping to you for free. And I wanna be very transparent. If you were to shop elsewhere, you're gonna find this vacuum. You're gonna see the blue one, you're gonna see the soft, or you're gonna see the grape one. You're not gonna find the warm metal. That's just here at QVC. Oh, and the configuration here that's giving you all the tools that we are too. This is an exclusive bundle. And so this is the only place that you're gonna find this bundle and this configuration with some of these exclusive colors. Plus, you can put it on our easy payment plan of $67.40. Elizabeth, when it comes to using this vacuum, can you kind of take us like on a little tour of it?
Sure, I'd love to. Actually, we'll do a little close-up here, which we'll get my camera person to step on in. So starting at the top, as I showed you before, the on-off button, it's not a trigger, it's just a button. You push it right there, and you get your automatic. You can also choose, there's a little, behind is another little button that you can go eco. That's going to give you your 70 minutes in the hand back. And there's your boost. So you have those three options, and then you turn it off there. Here's your battery. The battery is removable, so you can charge it either right on the vacuum, or you can take it off if you like, and charge it in the, with your cell phones or wherever. One button here. I'll show you what I did there. Did that too fast, didn't I? Push this. That's how you release your hand vacuum. Here's your release. Actually, we're pretty full. Let's do a little empty since I'm giving you the tour. You can just squeeze that. Look at this, Justin. I love this. The whole thing opens.
That's so easy.
Nice and wide. I know, it's really easy. Easy to clean. By the way, this is a sealed system that has that filtration that's just the same standards as HEPA. So you're going to be able to get that, 99.9% of dust retention in the vacuum. There's your fold over for storage, also getting under the different furnishings. And this has another detect I haven't shown you yet. Come on over here. Let me show you. Oh, right over here. Oh, look, my kitties are in evidence here, Justin. I have two cats, as you well know. And what happens is, as we, when we go around the house and we want to get around the edges, look what happens here. We have an extra burst, not only from the hair, but see how this light is lit up? That shows me that this is giving extra suction right to that edge. So edges and corners are easily detected with this and then cleaned. And then if I want to use these tools, I could put them on the end of my extension. As you were doing there, I could put them right on the vacuum itself. Only weighs a few pounds, about 4 pounds in the hand vacuum. And this is my upholstery tool, Justin, but I absolutely love it for just household cleaning. Because it actually, did you hear that? Even in the hand vac, it is adjusting for whatever the situation is in your home. So if you're in the car vacuuming the car mats or vacuuming, just in the kitchen,
car.
It's perfect for the car. It's always adapting to whatever mess is in your home, and that's what makes it so, so special.
Well, I got a mess here. I got a whole bunch of chips I got to clean up. But the good thing is that with this, I can go ahead and go forwards, I can go backwards, and this is going to be able to help to clean that up every which direction that you go. That is the difference here with this. It's coming to you today, $336.98, or on an easy payment of $67.40 to bring home a brand new Shark vacuum. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for being here. We so appreciate it.
Oh, Thank you, Justin.
I actually left a little bit. I forgot a little bit of chips over here. Let me finish that up because Oscar Duvall is here, and I am not going to let Oscar step onto a